Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to explore and talk about importance of reading for college students. If you want to read well in English, you must develop your thinking skill first. By the help of effective thinking skills, you can develop your English language proficiency. There are many college students they ask regarding learning of English. We suggest and prepare a series of video for these students how to develop academic reading skill. We start first lesson from definition of reading. In this video, we will talk about importance of reading and purpose of reading. It is clear for all students that reading is a cognitive process. Reading is a cognitive process that link with our mind. Whenever you are going to read a book, chapter, first try to specify and target a calm place for reading. If you are tired, please never start reading of a book and chapter. Because in definition, I told you that reading is a cognitive process of understanding. If you want to understand and enhance your knowledge, please develop your reading skills. The second definition, reading is ability to examine words and get instruction is called reading. This definition motivates students to interact with author. For example, Mr. Naqib going to read a book. It is his responsibility to talk with author. For example, think carefully, what is the passage about? What is the idea of the author? After knowing the purpose of author, he can understand the passage perfectly. So in short, reading link with our mind. And also reading is an interactive process. It will help us to develop our comprehension in understanding. The second important point regarding reading. There are many purposes for reading. For example, college students they are reading for reviewing or enhancing information. This is the purpose of reading. In this stage of reading, you should concentrate on passage, chapter, and book because your purpose is high. You want to gain information from chapter. The second purpose of reading is to critique text. For example, you are a professional writer and professional reader. You are reading famous book, then provide some critique find some negative point of the book and explain these points for the writers and listeners. It is also purpose of reading. Sometimes you are reading just for finding information. For example, if you are a journalist, you are searching many websites for finding specific topic for update in hot topic. It means that we are going to divide the level of reading based on purposes. If you are reading for comprehension, you should focus on text. If you are reading for just searching information, it will not take enough time. Just you are going to review or apply some strategies of reading. But if you are going to read for critic, you have to develop your creativity and you have to develop your critical thinking skills. In short, reading is important for all students. The second important thing regarding reading comprehension. Students ask regarding reading comprehension. What is the meaning of comprehension? Comprehension means understanding information. Know, realize information. If you are going to read for comprehension, your job and your duty is to gain information, understand the main theme of a passage. It is clear for all readers and listeners. Every passage has some main points and there are some sub-points. As a reader, it is your job to find all these main and sub-points regarding your passage. For example, if you are going to read a passage regarding online searching, the passage will be very lengthy. But as a student, it is your job to find the core, to find the main idea of a passage, which is importance of searching online. In short, we talked about definition of reading, purposes of reading, and importance of reading for college students. From today, whenever you are going to read, please consider and have pen, pencil, sticky note, book. While you are going to read, please focus on your reading. It will enhance your knowledge. Reading is not just important for developing your English. If you want to become a professional journalist, if you want to become a professional doctor, you need academic reading and reading comprehension skills. Wish you understand the definition of reading, purpose of reading, and some idea regarding importance of reading. Thank you so much for watching. Wish you all the best.